Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into the free video for the weekend, I wanted to recap some work with you on Tesla. So Tesla, of course, with earnings this week, good positive results out of them, solid volume, and more importantly, a daily squeeze that has resolved to the buy side. So this is one of the main signals that I work with you guys with in these free videos. And with Tesla having fired after such a long period of consolidation, I believe gives it bullish favor. Now, I have no idea if the patterns are going to play out exactly like this or not, but one thing I'm watching for is that on Monday morning, if you do see some type of a gap down and Tesla can hold 790, I would like to think that it is cheap below 800. Now again, that cheap below 800 implies that it's going to hold 790, right? Like at 720, yeah, it's even cheaper, but I don't like it down there. I want immediate continuation, and if that drop on Monday can come down here and hold, I think that would be a gift to buy it for a move higher into Wednesday afternoon. Now, this all doesn't have to unfold this way at all, but I like the idea of thinking about its extension in time, which is to take that previous major swing high against the swing low made at 620. And when we project that out in time, it lands us right on the day of the FOMC. So I'm thinking if the market is going to be able to hold up Wednesday, Tuesday, or Monday, Tuesday, and into Wednesday, and also the potential, sometimes around the Fed announcement, the initial announcement is received with, a really great response, and then the very next day, on Thursday, we'll give it all back. So I just feel like there is the potential of that pattern of down into here, up into something like 900 on Wednesday, and then that being a very critical point of failure. So as always, it is just one set of ideas, one pattern that I see in the markets, but when you've got the squeeze, when you've got the potential for these bigger overhead extensions, and what would also be a test of that flattening 200-day simple moving average, I believe this is where we look for momentum, and I think it'll be in play first thing next week. So y'all have a great weekend, and I hope to see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.